What can make a breathalyzer test inaccurate? A breathalyzer is a machine designed to identify the amount of alcohol in the air from your lungs and calculate your blood alcohol level based on a standard, generalized formula. However, many environmental and personal factors can alter these results. While most changes are slight, a combination of factors or an extreme condition can yield a result that is unreliable. When a client is arrested for a DUI with a high breath test level, an attorney must consider several factors that can skew an alcohol breath test unfairly against them. First, consider radiofrequency interference, or RFI. Breathalyzers use sensitive electronic sensors. RFI from nearby devices like police radios, cell phones, computers, or even fluorescent lights can disrupt the machine's internal electronics. This interference often causes falsely elevated readings, sometimes drastically higher than actual levels. While many models have built-in RFI detectors, experts note these aren't always reliable and may miss subtle interference. Proper operation by the officer is also critical. Officers must follow strict protocols, including a 15 to 20-minute observation period. To ensure no mouth alcohol from recent drinking, burping, or vomiting remains, they must ensure correct mouthpiece use and proper blowing technique. If an officer skips steps or lacks proper training, the result can be contaminated, leading to falsely high readings. Human error in administration is one of the most common reasons these results are challenged in court. We must also look at mechanical defects. Breathalyzers require regular calibration, maintenance, and software updates. A faulty sensor, outdated calibration solution, or a software glitch can produce inaccurate results. Even small amounts of residue from prior tests can skew a reading. Your gender and weight also play a significant role. These do not affect the machine itself, but they influence how much alcohol ends up in your breath. Women typically have a higher percentage of body fat and less total body water than men, meaning the same number of drinks results in a higher blood alcohol concentration. Similarly, lower body weight means less dilution of alcohol in the bloodstream. Because the breathalyzer assumes a standard conversion ratio and does not adjust for individual physiology, lighter people and women often register higher than a heavier male who drank the exact same amount. The amount and type of alcohol consumed is the most direct factor. More alcohol means more ethanol reaches your breath. Stronger drinks raise BAC faster, and rapid consumption leads to a higher peak level before your body can metabolize it. Interestingly, food generally lowers a breathalyzer reading by slowing alcohol absorption. However, certain foods can occasionally cause a temporary false positive if they contain trace fermented alcohol or cause burping that brings stomach alcohol vapor into the mouth. Specific medical and dietary conditions are also known culprits. Mouth alcohol, from recent use of mouthwash, breath sprays, or medicines can be misinterpreted by the machine as deep lung air. Conditions like GERD, acid reflux, or heartburn can cause alcohol vapors to travel from the stomach back into the mouth. Furthermore, individuals on high-protein, low-carb diets like keto may produce isopropanol as a byproduct of ketosis, which some older machines mistakenly flag as ethanol. Finally, temperature matters. Both the temperature of the device and the individual can affect the results. A higher body temperature, such as a fever, can lead to a falsely elevated BAC. These factors are frequently raised in DUI defenses because breathalyzers are not infallible. They rely on both the machine and proper procedure. Actual court outcomes depend on the specific device, calibration logs, and officer testimony. If you are arrested for a California DUI, our expert attorneys can represent you. We defend driving under the influence cases that are highly contested and high stakes. DUIs involving physicians, judges, lawyers, or those involved in contentious divorce proceedings require an extra level of effort. If your case is not an off-the-shelf DUI, call Daniel Horowitz at 925-283-1863.